Okay, so after forking the Starfield REPL into my account, we can see we have the code now, or the script. And after opening it in the browser, we get this, which is a canvas it's currently drawing the stars in, I believe. And see here where we can see breakpoint. So line 7. Then after you click refresh, it does not show any of these stars. So it only runs, which is getting the canvas itself and assigning 100 to stars. Then for the for loop, which means is that it's going through the loop, I believe, 100 times. If we didn't have the breakpoint in line 7, I believe it would go through the loop 100 times, drawing each one of the stars, which at the math random it gives pretty much the coordinates or the space to where it draws the stars. And as we go through the loop, it starts putting the stars in the canvas, which the canvas is with 600 and high 400, which is back in the index, at which point we could change that. We could change that to, let's see, let's do an 800. By 800, and instead of 100 stars, it can be 300. Click save, and then go back to the browser, get rid of the break, stop this, and go. Now our canvas is 800 by 800, and instead of having 100 stars, it now has 300. We'll set the breakpoint again and refresh. It will draw the canvas and manually go through the loop. We could go through the loop manually, one by one, up to 300. Or we can just get rid of the breakpoint and refresh. Let's try out with 100. Make sure everything is working. Refresh and fewer stars. Get rid of 0. Do 10. Hit refresh. Less stars. Okay, so I believe this how it works.